Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression. We have here 20 divided by 2 then times 4 minus 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. Here we first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here we first do these parentheses. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. So we have 20 divided by 2 then times 2. Here we have this division and this multiplication. And we have to work from left to right. So 20 divided by 2 equals 10. And 10 times 2, which equals 20. So our final answer to this problem is 20.